The story started with a dream to build a home-like learning environment for our children, where they can be the best of themselves. Our journey began with a passion of education 19 years ago and took shape as uNiK in 2017 with deep inspiration from the radio philosophy, which meets the highest international standards in education worldwide. And here we are today, in June 2024, opening our middle school and growing with our children and families. Throughout these years, I would like to thank our families, first and foremost, for trusting us when we were at the very beginning of our success story. I would also like to thank my team, the uNiK family, who work day and night to celebrate this moment with us today. Our story doesn't end here and will never have a final destination. It's an endless journey of improvements and growth. Our children, who will be the leaders of change, will soon be entering the doors of the best universities and making differences in their communities. Meanwhile, some of them have already started to be our ambassadors worldwide. Finally, a million thanks again to all who believed in us from the very beginning or during our journey and stood by us through our hard and tough days. We are here because of you. And together we grow. Sumaya, York.